Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix the turbo mode grayed out or unavailable on THERMOMIX TM7. The turbo mode is unavailable if your bowl exceeds the temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. When that temperature is reached, also the color of the status bar should change to red. And once it turns back to green, it means it's gotten back to the temperature below 60 degrees Celsius. And then you can use it. If you want, you can cool down your mixing bowl by putting some cold water in it and then discarding it. And then you should be able to use it. Of course, make sure to dry the bowl before using it if you want to use some dry ingredients in it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.